ko Tararua te maunga, ko Papawai te marae, ko Ngāti Kahungunu, Rangitane, me Rongo mai wahine ngā iwi, ko Carl toku papa, ko Marg toku mama, ko Nerasaho. Family was born up north, and my mum was born in Wales. Well, we grew up between New Zealand and Wales. Every few years we'd go over and do our studies just so we would get both of the cultures. The process is really different each time because sometimes I'll start with an idea or a sketch and it could be a really fast process. I could be finished the painting within a few hours, or it could be a year that it takes me to finish that piece, just because if I feel like my artistic skill isn't up to the level that I think in my head, I sort of just hold off and wait until the moment is right to be able to finish that painting. And a lot of these paintings did take like a few months just because I didn't know how to portray what I wanted to in my head. I didn't know the technique or the method, but it's a lot just playing around and just trial and error and just seeing like what happens with it. My advice to the other artists out there would be just keep doing everything every day. Just like never stop. Always have paper, always have a pen. Even if you're not a drawer, you always just got to write down your ideas somehow, just because you never know when the inspiration will come or where you'll need to suddenly get the idea and need to write it down. It's just the most invaluable tool is pen and paper to me. And I think that a lot of people forget that it's just humble beginnings can just create just the most coolest things.